Pag-usapan natin ngayon guys kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng isang appealing profile kay Onlinejobs.PH, lalo na sa mga newbies pa lang to working at home, para makakuha tayo ng client or makakuha tayo ng job na pwede talaga sa atin. Kung ikaw ay baguhan lang sa work at home at gahanap ka pa rin ng possible clients or possible jobs online, please stay tuned sa ating video for today and watch this up until the end. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russel again. And kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, again, nagko-cover tayo ng videos about work from home, home-based jobs, at nagre-review din tayo ng mga websites and applications from where we can earn money kahit nasa bahay lang. Kaya naman kung interested ka to working at home at naghahanap ka ng mga opportunities para kumita habang nasa bahay lang, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below and click mo na rin yung notification bell para every time na may bago tayong video ay updated ka. Today, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga personal tips ko on how we can create an appealing profile dito kay Onlinejobs.PH. So ayun guys, punta lang kayo sa website nila which is Onlinejobs.PH. So itong si Onlinejobs.PH ay isa siyang freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or any other freelancing platforms kung saan pwede kang makahanap ng mga available na jobs depende sa mga skills na meron ka. Ang pinagkaiba ni Onlinejobs.PH from other platforms is that dito, Filipino freelancers lang yung hinahire ng mga client. So, mas less yung competition. So, ngayon, ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng profile or appealing profile para makahanap tayo ng mga clients. Click lang natin itong sign up. Tapos, meron dyan dalawang option. Of course, piliin nyo yung I'm a worker kung freelancer kayo. Then, put your information, name, email address, and your desired password. After nyo fill out lahat ng details and click on agree to the terms, click nyo lang yung register. Yan, makakakuha kayo ng confirmation na your account has been created. So, confirm your registration by going to your inbox. Kailangan lang natin pumunta sa ating email, check the inbox, and may i-click tayong link to confirm the email address. So, ito na guys yung part kung saan mag-create kayo ng profile kay Onlinejobs.PH. So, yung unang-unang kailangan nyo dyan is your job title. So, ano ba yung gusto nyong makita ng mga clients na specific job title mo? So, make sure na eye-catchy yung magiging job title mo. Kunyari, for those na may experience on being a virtual assistant, usually na mga nilalagay nila dyan are, say for example, is specific to real estate virtual assistant, or they can also use a general virtual assistant. Meron namang iba na gumagamit din ng mga adjectives like rockstar virtual assistant or superstar virtual assistant. So, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gusto i-present yung sarili nyo. For those who has experience, pwede nyong gawing job title yung specific line of business nyo. Kunyari, for customer service, you can use customer service, chat, email, and voice. So, ganon. So, say for example, ang i-consider natin dito is for newbies. So, creating a profile for a newbie. So, say for example, ang gagawin nating profile ay specific to being a chat support. So, pwede nating ilagay dyan is chat support expert. Yan, pwede yan. So, depende na sa inyo yun, guys, kung paano nyo gustong maging catchy yung magiging job title nyo. So, summary of skills, dito nyo naman ilalagay yung mga skills na related dun sa job title nyo. I would suggest guys na ang gamitin nyo na mga summary of your skills are all related dun sa job title. Kunyari, virtual assistant, lahat ng ilagay mong skills are related to virtual assistant. So, ganun. For experienced chat support or any other job positions, usually marami kayong mailalagay ng skills dyan kasi may mga experience nga kayo relevant to the job. Pero ang tanong is for newbies. So, ano ba yung mga pwede nyong ilagay when it comes to your skills summary or skills set para naman mas maging catchy din at mapansin ni client yung profile nyo? So, you can start, of course, by your communication skills. Pwede nyong i-include dyan na you're fluent in both verbal and written English communication. So, yan yung pinaka-general na kailangan for working at home. Pwede nyo ilagay yung technical skills. Siguro naman yung iba, kahit na wala pang experience to working at home, familiar naman sa Microsoft Office tools and sa Google Drive. Ang pwede nyong ilagay for technical skills ay sound knowledge ng tools like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and when it comes to Google Drive, pwede nyong ilagay na alam nyo rin gamitin si Google Docs and si Google Spreadsheets. Kahit basics lang yung alam nyo sa mga tools na to guys, you're good. Since we're applying for chat support, consider din to as part of the customer service niche. So that means, kailangan mo pa rin ng critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Of course, you need that para ma-resolve mo yung mga concerns ng mga customers na makakausap mo via chat. You can also include your typing skills. Ito rin yung isa sa mga hinahanap ng mga client when you're applying for a chat support job. So, pwede nyong ilagay dito kung ilang words per minute kayo. Kunyari, 60 words per minute. Pwede nyo itong gawin sa iba-ibang website. I-type nyo lang sa browser nyo, typing test. Marami dyang available websites for testing your typing speed. Another thing na pwede mong ilagay as a newbie is your comprehension skills. So guys, kung mapapansin nyo yung mga nilalagay nating skills dito are just general lang. Kasi hindi tayo pwede maglagay ng skills na related sa iba-ibang tools like use of CRMs or use of any other tools na specifically designed for chat. Kasi nga, newbie ka pa lang. Another skill na pwede nyong ilagay is your multitasking skill. Kasi at the same time na nag-chat kayo kay customer, kailangan nyo i-access yung ibang tools. So, kung matanong kayo sa interview ng ganyan, pwede nyo namang i-relate yung real-life situations like kaya nyong mag-Facebook while doing something else, yung mga ganong multitasking part. Kasi yung sending message sa mga social media platforms, you can also relate that to being a chat support online. Pwede nyo na rin isama na yung pagiging fast learner. Kasi as a newbie, marami kang kailangang tools na i-learn at processes. So, ito yung mga skill sets for newbies na I would suggest specifically for chat support roles. Pero yung most of the skills na to guys ay pwede nyo rin gamitin like if you're a newbie tas gusto nyong applyan is being a virtual assistant. Of course, pwede nyong gamitin is communication skills, technical skills, typing skills, comprehension, or multitasking. So, depende talaga sa applyan mong work. Now, let's move on dun sa desired salary per month. So, for newbies na as in wala talagang experiences kahit sa BPO or any other jobs, pwede nyo nang ilagay dyan starting is 15,000 to 20,000 pesos. So, sabihin na nating 15,000 as in wala ka talagang experience. For this part, just need to include your highest educational attainment. Say for example, bachelor's degree. Tapos for those who have working experiences, dito nyo i-include yung summary ng work experience nyo. So, dun naman sa mga bago pa lang, since this video is specially made for you guys, you just need to be honest kasi baka tanungin ka ni client about sa nilagay mong experience which is hindi naman totoo. So, pwede mong lagay dyan na you have no working experiences so far, but you are truly motivated or you're willing to learn. Tapos, employment status, if you're currently employed or not, and number of hours you want to work in a week. Say for example, you want to work full-time, let's use 40 hours plus. Then your date of birth, and of course, your phone number. And you can also include your website kung meron man kayong website or personal URL, and gender. Tick nyo lang tong yes, I'm willing to use time proof. And there you go, meron na tayong na-create na profile. We just need to rate our skills. Yan, i-rate lang natin yung mga skills natin when it comes to office and admin for virtual assistant. I-rate natin yung mga English skills, writing skills, marketing and sales, and everything. Kapag natapos nyo na yung mga ratings, click nyo lang tong I'm done with ratings. And then there you go, congratulations. You're well on your way to having an online job. And then let's click on view my account. So eto na yung magiging profile mo. Pero may mga tips pa ako for you to make sure na mas maging maganda yung profile mo. So click on my profile. Ayan. Ito yung summary ng profile natin. Tapos make sure to upload your picture kasi yung mga client, they're also looking for actual people. So, uploading a photo serves as a proof na live person kayo at hindi kayo scammer or something like that. Tapos, meron ditong ID proof, guys. So, kapag mag-a-apply kayo ng mga work, may mga required ID proof para makapag-apply ka. So, usually 50 and above na ID proof yan. I-upload nyo yung screenshot ng ID nyo para magkaroon ka ng ID proof score. Tapos, I would suggest guys na dito sa basic information, mag-take din kayo ng mga test to improve your profile. Usually may 3 test dyan, English proficiency, IQ test, saka personality test. IQ test, kiklik nyo lang yung link. Tapos, ang mangyayari kasi, iti-take nyo yung test, tapos after nyo i-take yung test, isa-save nyo yung screenshot, tapos i-upload nyo sa profile nyo. Now, punta tayo dito sa job board. Usually, nandito yung mga posted jobs. Everyday siya nag-a-update. Everyday maraming jobs yung nadadagdag. So, ang ginagawa ko kasi guys, nagsasearch ako, pinifilter ko yung mga available jobs by typing the specific job. Kunyari, chat support. Pag pinype mo yan, hit enter, lalabas yung mga available chat support na post. Kunyari ito, customer service, chat support, posted last October 17. Ang rate na ino-offer nila is $2.5 to $3 per hour. Makikita nyo yung error na your ID proof is lower than required to apply for this job. So, hindi kayo makakapag-apply. Gaya nga ng sinasabi ko, may required ID proof. So, dito, ang required ID proof nila is 50 points. So, kailangan nyo talaga guys mag-upload ng inyong ID picture. Ganyan yung makikita nyo guys. Meron dyang job overview. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, to apply, fill out the test. So, meron silang pinapasagutan na form. Ang mangyayari kasi guys, if you will be applying for a job, tapos pasado yung ID proof nyo, may makikita kayo ditong kulay green na apply for this job. Tapos, hindi nyo siya gagawin for this specific post. Hindi kayo mag-a-apply directly dito kay Onlinejobs.PH kasi may specific silang pinapagawa na sasagutan na form. Ito yung i-follow nyo. Kung walang binanggit si client na specific instructions to answer any form or something like that, that's the time na kailangan mo mag-apply dito kay Onlinejobs.PH. So, papakita ko yan sa inyo mamaya sa account ko, guys. Ganyan yung usually ginagawa ko. Pinifilter ko yung job. Pero kasi guys, I would also recommend you, kunyari, nakapag-apply na kayo sa lahat ng available chat support dun sa search nyo, sa filtered search. Tapos, ang gawin nyo ng next is punta kayo sa job board. And then, click nyo tong browse all job post. Kasi based on my experience guys, may mga job post na ang nakalagay lang is say for example, customer service representative. Tapos yung job post na yun ay specifically looking si client for chat support. So hindi siya lalabas sa filtered search mo ng chat support kasi yung title niya is customer service representative. Kaya kung na-applyan nyo na lahat ng filtered search nyo, ang gawin nyo ng next is browse for available jobs. Ayan na, ito na yung mga latest na na-post na jobs dito sa platform na to. Tapos, isa-isayin nyo na lang kung masipag talaga kayo at kung gusto nyo talagang magkaroon ng client. And kapag may nakita kayong mga post like customer service representative, mga ganun, i-check nyo and i-click nyo. Basahin nyo yung job post and confirm if it's really the one that you're looking for. So ngayon, punta na tayo dun sa profile ko para ma-share ko yung talagang actual na job application. So ito guys yung profile ko with Onlinejobs.PH. Well, gaya ng nung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, you can take the 3 test. Kailangan nyo lang i-upload yung screenshot dito. Kunyari dito sa disk, yung personality test. Ayan yung result ko. Tapos for IQ test, ayan siya. And for English proficiency test, ito siya. So ganyan yung mga test na iti-take nyo. Tapos guys, ito makikita nyo, ID proof ko is 88 points. So usually lahat ng available jobs ay na-applyan ko kasi ang pinakamataas naman na nakikita ko na ID proof so far na required is 80 points. So you can also check your inbox guys. Pwede nyong i-check yan kasi mamaya nag-reply na pala si client tapos di nyo napansin. Pero don't worry guys kasi nagsasend din naman ng email si Onlinejobs.PH kapag may nagre-reply na client. Pero usually kasi yung mga ina-applyan ko hindi talaga directly kay Onlinejobs.PH. Either nagpapasagot sila ng form or either nagpapa-email sila directly sa email. So, make sure na basahin nyo pa rin yung instructions. Kasi kung hindi naman sila nagpapasubmit ng application dito, baka kailangan nyo mag-send ng email or mag-answer ng form. Tapos, kung gusto nyo makita yung mga previous job applications nyo, may kita nyo yan dito. So, ayan na lahat ng mga in-applyan yung job. And then, pwede rin kayo mag-bookmark ng mga jobs and lalabas yan dun sa save jobs nyo. Let's try looking for available jobs for chat support. Kunyari yung nakita natin kanina, ito. Yung sinasabi ko kanina guys, ayan, you can bookmark and meron tayong apply for this job na button kasi pasado yung ID proof natin. Based on the instructions nila, kailangan mo lang magsagot ng form. You don't need to apply directly dito. Pero what if hindi naman in-specify na magsasagot tayo ng end form? Or hindi sila nag-provide ng any email address na pwede natin pag-sendan ng application. So that means na dito kayo mag-a-apply directly kay Onlinejobs.PH. So let's try to click on apply for this job. Kunyari dito sa post na to, hindi siya in-specify na mag-a-answer ng form or magsasend ng email. Dito na kayo mag-a-apply sa mismong platform. So itong subject, kung may specified instruction kung paano nyo isusulat yung subject, you need to follow that. Pero kung wala, just make your own. Kunyari, you're applying for chat support. You can use chat support expert application. Tapos dito sa message part, dito nyo kailangan ilagay yung cover letter nyo guys. So for cover letter or sample cover letter, I already made a video about this and you can just visit my channel. Ayan yung video na nasa screen. Yan yung about sa cover letter din. Tapos, you need to input your contact information para kung kailangan kang kontakin ni client, they have means to communicate with you. So, once you're done, click mo lang yung send an email and you need to wait for a response from the client. So, yun lang guys, lahat ng gusto kong i-share sa inyo for today. And if you're interested to creating your profile kay Onlinejobs.PH at kung interested ka rin maghanap ng trabaho na pwede sa'yo dito kay Onlinejobs.PH, please feel free to follow yung mga sinuggest kong tips. I hope na nakatulong to lalo na sa mga newbie pa lang to working at home. If you have any questions, if you have insights, or if you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. And don't forget guys to like this video and share this to your friends and family na naghahanap din ng way to earn money while just staying at home. So kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng stable job, Onlinejobs.PH is a right place for you to look for available clients. Thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and follow me on my social media accounts din. Lahat ng links ay nandyan yan sa description box. Yan lang muna for today guys and kita-kits ulit tayo sa ating next videos. Bye for now!